1-1 किलोमीटर 1.5 किलोमीटर वो नीचे नाले में चले जाती हैं गाड़ी। बड़ी बड़ी खाई है इस रोड पे।
गाड़ियाँ जो आती हैं बेंड्स पे ओवरटेक करती हैं या स्पीड पे होती हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ ब्रश हो जाती हैं, तो उसमें काफ़ी कैजुअलिटीज भी होती हैं।
On the hairpin bends, nobody knows that what is coming from the other side at what speed, and if they don't know, they can't take any action depending upon that.
We created smart poles with radar technology that communicates with each other to alert drivers on both sides of the blind curve with the sound of a horn.
Humans instinctively react to sound, so it uses that concept to provide them input.
The radar on the smart poles reads the speed of the vehicles and communicates with the smart pole at the other end. They alert the drivers on both sides by honking, indicating them to slow down and cross safely.
Valuable lives जो हैं वो बचेंगी. That's going to help a lot.